Hello all, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to have a look about the capital markets. What is this capital markets? So we have in the financial markets two segments which are available, which is the capital markets and money markets. Capital markets are where we can invest the funds on a long term basis, whereas the money markets is there for the short term basis. Let us look in detail on this capital market. So this capital market is the market where it was having the investment for long-term sources of funds, which is the equity share capital, preference share capital, and debentures or bonds. The capital market is being segmented into two, which is this primary as well as secondary market. The primary market is going to give for fresh issues, new issues when the business or any company which is wanting to raise its funds, they can go to this primary market and then issue its capital, raise their funds by subscription from the public. In the equity share capital, you have the authorized capital, the paid up capital, and the subscribed capital. These three capital will have an change in the subscriptions by the investors, which is being the subscribed capital. And then we have this IPO, which is the initial public offer. Whenever the business or an organization is wanting to raise their funds in this market, capital market, through the stock exchange, they can go for this IPO, which is the initial public offer, where there are various several procedures being available in order to go through this fresh issues or in this initial public offer. And this FPO is also available for the business. And coming to the secondary market, we all know the various stock exchange in India, which is the Bombay, one of the oldest stock exchange, which is the Bombay Stock Exchange and National Stock Exchange. So the Bombay Stock Exchange is located at Mumbai, and the National Stock Exchange is also the headquartered at Mumbai, and various other branches are there in this National Stock Exchange. Previously, there were so many regional stock exchanges. So, what is this stock exchange is all about? Stock exchange is the place where they are going to buy and sell the securities, whether it is the equity, share capital, or any other forms of capital where they want to buy the shares and sell the shares in the market, which is the trading. Nowadays, many people are trading and they are gaining huge profit as well as huge loss. It is very critical and crucial to look about the stock market, and then we can go in for the trading. There are various trading strategies adopted to trade in the share market. The share market is always taken place as a gambling, and but for the speculative and long term investments as well as short term trading, they can gain profit or loss. So there are two stock exchange, which is this Bombay Stock Exchange and National Stock Exchange, which is taking an important lead in the securities market. What is this primary market? So this primary market is where only when the company is going to start with the new issue for raising up their funds in the capital market. In the capital market, there are several procedures so as to go ahead for the business to raise their funds. First of all, they have to get listed in the share market, there are various procedures to be adopted. If it is a new company being run over, then they have to go for this listing. Or else, if it is already existing, some of the very large companies, popular companies, and giant companies, they can easily avail this new issues for the companies. There are other offers, which is the rights issue and the bonus issue, which is given only for the existing shareholders. So when one person is buying the share, other person, the one person is buying, already having the shares, and he is having in the long term basis, or if he wants to take exist for the existing shareholders only this rights issue, in order to have raised their funds only for the existing shareholders. But in the case of bonus issue, the bonus shares will be made available when the company earns the profit and also wants to raise further investment. Fresh issues is this new issue, and I have already told about this IPO, which is the initial public offer. There are various several steps in which the IPO is being given. In the IPO process, we are going to have the various steps relating to giving the application, where there is a regulator. For Reserve Bank, for banks, we are having the Reserve Bank as the regulator, and Reserve Bank as the regulator, and various other regulators. For the insurance, IRTA is there, and for the capital markets, SEBI is there, which is the Securities Exchange Board of India, which is giving guidelines and guiding the capital markets as well as the money markets. And this IPO process, right from getting the application process, authorized capital, getting the funds, investing the funds, how much of shares to be issued to the public, what is the price per share to be fixed, the band, which is the 100 rupees to 150 rupees, are also being discussed in this process. And there is various process for collecting the applications. Nowadays everything is in online mode, and all the security brokers or companies, security companies, can also take the process and get the initial public offer. There are various other agencies like the private placement as well as underwriters, who are other than the security brokers, they are also legal valid people who are taking the new issue on behalf of the company and selling it in the market. So this is about the IPO and the primary market. Yes, the SEBI. We are having this regulator for the capital markets. So the various capital regulations are available. The listing procedures are there. Whenever a company, newly listed company is there, they have to go through the procedure of listing of their securities so as to enable in their stock exchange. After that only they can go for either this primary market as well as trading for the public allowance to the stock exchange. Various regulations are available in the SEBI for regulation in the capital markets, regulations for the new issues, regulations of stock exchange, regulations of derivatives, regulations of mutual funds as well, and many more are there. And SEBI has every right. The main objective of the SEBI, before the SEBI, it was having under the Securities Contract Regulation Act, which is the SCRA Act. The SCRA Act has been abolished, and now the SEBI is giving all the guidelines in the capital market segment. So this SEBI has also given various guidelines in order to have a free trading and ease trading, and now announcing on the new online trading formats in the recent past. So now in this secondary market where this Bombay Stock Exchange and the National Stock Exchange are being traded. It is the one of the oldest stock exchange in Asia, and our country's stock market performance is having a whole impact in other emerging markets as well. In this stock exchange, which is the oldest one, which is established, which was established in 1875 under the banyan tree, where Dalal person who was starting the trading on the cotton market, cotton industry, where during the British period, where the East India Company was doing the business, and slowly this developed, and later on this Bombay Stock Exchange was being organized under this banyan tree and named under the Dalal Street at Mumbai. The various in Bombay Stock, what is the measure for the measurement? If you are going to see about the news, the various indicators, which is the Sensex for the Bombay Stock Exchange, are there in order to take the track of the market performance on a particular day. The Sensex is being calculated on the average weighted average basis on every day, and it is being calculated on every day the high and low, what how much percentage change has happened on each day. The stock markets are being functioning from 9 to 3:30 p.m., and the weekdays and the government holidays are not being functioned. Under this Bombay Stock Exchange, the best 30 stocks are available, which is going to give you the performance index about the various companies' price on a particular day. Every day, we can, if we go to the Bombay Stock Exchange website, we can see about the various 30 stocks, best 30 stocks, and what are the companies which are being declined and what are the companies which are in the progress of going upwards. And now, why we are discussing this stock market? As in this crisis situation, everywhere the crisis situation is associated with this performance of the markets, and the markets crashed during the lockdown period, complete lockdown period in the phase of March and towards April. Now, various economists and stock market analysts gives a opinion that market is slowly reviving, and it will further go down, and again it will retain not the original position, but it will try to regain the momentum. That is what we are all having the discussions. That is the important nature whenever a crisis happens. The financial markets or the capital markets get the most impact. So this Bombay Stock Exchange has got this online trading format in the very recent past, and this has been named through this Bombay online trading, which is called a Bolt. So they are doing this trading through the various satellites and terminals, and various indices are available in the Bombay Stock Exchange. So the various segments in which the Bombay Stock Exchange is dealing with. First, everybody knows about the equity share capital, derivatives, currency derivatives, interest rate derivatives, corporate bonds, securities, lending and borrowings, exchange traded funds, mutual funds, commodity derivatives. So many segments are being dealt in the Bombay Stock Exchange. Coming to the various Bombay Stock Exchange indices, the Bombay Stock Exchange, various indices are available in order to track the particular performance of the business in the corporate segment and that will help all the traders on following the various indices. This S&P, which is the world's credit rating agencies. In India, various credit rating agencies are available. In across the world, it is the highly rated credit rating company Standard and Poor, which is called this S&P, has given a collaboration in the recent years where every indices has been collaborated with this S&P. And in India, we have various agencies. Likewise, Standard and Poor is one of the global credit rating agency. There are various indices such as the normal Standard and Poor, BSE Sensex, S&P Sensex 50, S&P Sensex Next 50, S&P Sensex which is 100, then coming to 200. So various other indices are available such as this 22 index, 150 mid cap, various companies which is the we have three segments which is the small cap, mid cap and the large cap, which is the small capitalization, mid capitalization and large capitalization. We can see that detail in later, but these are the various indices available and much more are available. More indices are available. BSE is having sectoral indices, various sectors, various industries performance are also can be identified, highlighted. Various S&P future index on the foreign exchange transactions as well as ETF is also available. Commodity markets is also available and various other indices also available in the BSE stock exchange. Let us see more further in detail in the upcoming sessions. Thank you. Like and subscribe my channel.